at the police station? Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I want to report a theft.
I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
Someone stole my bag.
When did it happen?
Yesterday,
What time?
around 4 p.m.
Where were you?
I was in a supermarket.
What is the name of the supermarket?
It is called Fresh Market.
Okay. Where was your bag?
It was in my shopping cart. I was looking at some fruit.
Did you see the person who took it?
No, I didn't see anything.
What was in the bag?
My wallet, my phone, and my keys.
Did you have money?
Yes, I had about $200 and my bank card.
Did you block your bank card?
Yes, I called the bank right away.
Good. That's very important. What does your bag look like?
It is small and brown.
What does your phone look like?
It is black.
Did you tell the supermarket staff?
Yes, I spoke to the manager.
Are there cameras in the supermarket?
Yes, I think so.
That's good. We will check the cameras.
Thank you. I feel very upset.
I understand. It's a stressful situation.
Yes, especially because my ID card was in the bag.
Don't worry. We will write a report. You should also report your ID card as stolen.
Okay, what should I do now?
First, I will ask you a few more questions. What is your full name?
My name is Emma Stone.
What is your address?
I live at 12 Green Street.
Thank you. Can I have your phone number?
Yes, it's 555-123-456.
Thank you. We will contact you if we find anything.
How long will it take?
It is hard to say. Maybe a few days or a few weeks.
Okay, I understand.
Here is a copy of the report. Please keep it.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope we can solve this case.
I hope so too. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Calling the fire department. Fire department, how can I help you?
Hello, I want to report a problem.
What is happening?
I see smoke from my neighbor's house.
Okay. What is your address?
I live at 15 Sunny Street.
Is the smoke coming from your house?
No, it is from my neighbor's house, number 17.
Do you see fire?
No, I don't see fire. I only see smoke from the window.
Is anyone inside the house?
I don't think so. My neighbor is not at home. Her car is not here.
Do you know her name?
Yes, her name is Mrs. Jones.
Is the smoke strong?
Yes, it is getting stronger.
Are you in a safe place?
Yes, I am outside.
Good. Please stay outside. Do not go inside the house.
Okay.
Are there other neighbors nearby?
Yes, there are 2 houses next to it.
Please tell them to go outside just in case.
Okay, I will tell them.
We are sending a fire truck now.
Thank you.
It will be there in a few minutes.
Okay, I will wait outside.
If you see fire or hear an explosion, call us again immediately.
Yes, I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
In a taxi.
Good evening. Where would you like to go?
Good evening. I would like to go to the train station, please.
Sure. Which train station? Central Station.
Yes, Central Station.
Okay, please get in.
Thank you.
Are you in a hurry?
Yes, a little. My train leaves at 7 p.m.
What time is it now?
It's 6:20 p.m.
No problem. We will be there in about 20 minutes.
That's good, thank you.
Do you have a lot of luggage?
Just this suitcase and one bag.
I can put the suitcase in the trunk.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Are you traveling far?
Yes, I'm going to London.
Oh, nice city. Are you going for work or holiday?
For work. I have a meeting tomorrow morning.
I see. Do you travel often?
Yes, quite often.
We are almost at the station.
Great. How much is it?
It's £35.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
You too. Goodbye.
At the bank. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to withdraw some money.
Of course. How much would you like to withdraw?
I would like to withdraw $30,000.
$30,000. Okay. May I ask what the money is for?
Yes, I want to buy a new car.
That sounds nice. What kind of car do you want?
A small, new car.
I understand. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Sure.
All right. I see your account. You have enough money.
Good.
Would you like the money in cash?
Yes, please, in cash.
Large bills or small bills?
Large bills, please.
This is a large amount of money. Will you pay for the car today?
Yes, I will go to the car dealer after the bank.
Okay. Please be careful with the money.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
I need your signature here, please.
Here?
Yes, right here.
Done.
Thank you. Please wait while I prepare the cash.
No problem.
Here is your money, $30,000. Please count it.
One moment. Yes, it is correct.
Good. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Do you need anything else today?
No, that's everything.
All right. Have a nice day and enjoy your new car.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Lost card.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a problem. I lost my card.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did you lose it?
I think I lost it this morning.
Okay. Do you want to freeze your card?
Yes, please. I don't want anyone to use it.
Of course. I will help you. Could I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Sarah Miller.
Thank you, Miss Miller. Can I see your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait a moment. All right. I see your account. I will freeze your card now.
Okay.
Done. Your card is now frozen. No one can use it.
That's good. Thank you.
Did you see any strange transactions?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, but please check your account later today.
Yes, I will.
Would you like a new card?
Yes, please. I need a new card.
No problem. I will order a new card for you.
How long does it take?
About 5 to 7 business days.
Okay.
Do you want to use cash or transfer money in the meantime?
Yes, I can use cash for now.
All right. Your new card will come by post.
To my home address?
Yes, to your address on file. Is it still the same?
Yes, it is the same.
Do you want to set a new PIN for your new card?
Yes, please.
You can do it when you receive the card.
Okay, thank you.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything.
All right. If you find your old card, please do not use it.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
At the hospital. Broken finger. Hello? I need help.
Hello? What happened?
I hurt my finger at work. I think it is broken.
I'm sorry to hear that. Which finger?
My index finger on my right hand.
Okay. When did it happen?
About 1 hour ago.
How did it happen?
I hit my finger on a metal door at work.
I see. Is it very painful?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
Can you move your finger?
Only a little. It hurts when I move it.
Okay, please sit down. I will ask you some questions.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Daniel Smith.
How old are you, Mr. Smith?
I am 32 years old.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Do you take any medicine?
No, I don't take any medicine.
Do you have any medical problems?
No, I am healthy.
Okay, let me see your finger.
This finger.
It is swollen. Does this hurt?
Yes, very much.
I understand. The doctor will see you soon.
Do I need an x-ray?
Yes, probably. The doctor will decide.
Okay.
Please wait here.
All right. Thank you.
At the dentist. Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Daniel Harris.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Harris. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Is this your first visit here?
Yes, it is my first visit.
All right. How can I help you today?
I have a toothache on the left side.
How long have you had this pain?
I have had it since yesterday evening.
Is the pain strong?
Yes, sometimes it is very strong.
Does it hurt when you eat or drink?
Yes, especially when I drink something cold.
I understand. I will check your teeth now. Please open your mouth.
Okay.
I can see a small cavity.
Is it serious?
No, it is not serious, but we need to fix it today.
That is good to hear.
I will clean the tooth and put in a filling.
Will it hurt?
No, I will give you an injection. You will not feel pain.
All right.
It will take about 30 minutes.
That is fine.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I do not have any allergies.
Good. Let us begin.
Okay.
At work. Water leak problem. Hello? Can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes, of course. What's wrong?
There is a problem in the bathroom.
What kind of problem?
Water is leaking.
Oh no. Where is it leaking from?
I think it is coming from the toilet.
Is it a lot of water?
Not a lot, but the floor is wet.
That is not good. Someone can slip.
Yes, it is dangerous.
When did you see the water?
About 10 minutes ago.
Okay. Did you try to stop the water?
No, I was not sure what to do.
That's okay. Thank you for telling me.
No problem.
Is the water still leaking now?
Yes, a little.
All right. We need to fix it.
Do we need a plumber?
Yes, I think so.
Should we close the bathroom?
Yes, please close it.
Okay.
Can you put a wet floor sign?
Yes, I can.
And maybe some paper towels on the floor?
Good idea.
Thank you for reporting this.
You're welcome.
Is there water near the door?
No, only near the toilet.
Okay, that's good.
What should I do now?
Please check the bathroom again in a few minutes.
Okay, I will check.
Thank you.
The water is still leaking.
All right, I will call maintenance.
Okay,
Thank you for your help.
no problem.
Please be careful, the floor is wet.
Yes, I will.
Thank you.